your hair thinning starts, as in like, you pluck one hair from the front and you pluck one from the back, and then you compare the like thickness. If your front one appears to be thinner than the back hair, it means that your hair thinning is started. Hello, welcome to my channel, you guys. In this video I'm going to be talking about some of the products actually. So these days we've been seeing a lot of promotions and a lot of promotional videos where they're doing a lot of podcasts for something called Traya. So I thought, why not order some of the products from Traya and test that out. So I received my package today from Traya. I don't know if you're able to see this. Okay, so what I've ordered, so they don't really sell individual products, so they were distinguishing like packages where they were saying that hair loss is treatable, you don't need to go for any sort of implantations or whatnot. There are some packages that they've meant. So there are some questionnaires that they have where they're asking about some questions. I think some basic 5-6 questions where what does your hair look like, whether you have any sickness or whether you're taking any medications or etc etc. So this is a robot that appears. There's no personal consultation or whatsoever that I ever had with Traya. Based on the answers that I provided them, they created a package for me. And I actually made some trial and error, and then I found out that majorly the products are same. Now the products, the ingredients that are there in the products is a generic one, so I'm hoping that these would work. It's just that they fancied out the whole thing by asking you questions and then getting into the products and everything. Yeah, so I ordered this package for about 2489 rupees, which has just come today. So I'm going to unpack the whole thing and show you what exactly contains in this package. Though I know it already, I did see the products, and it's not that I've randomly just ordered. I went through all the ingredients, and it actually is issued by a dermatologist, which is generic. So they say that if your hair thinning starts, as in like you pluck one hair from the front and you pluck one from the back, and then you compare the like thickness. If your front one appears to be thinner than the back hair, it means that your hair thinning is started. So it is treatable when you're in level 1, stage 1, stage 2. They claim until stage 3 actually. So you can use these products to get your lost hair back, is what they claim. And I really don't understand how is it doable, but we'll see. I'm sure it'll give me result in like a month. Okay, so the first product that's there is Traya Health Tattva. It's a natural detox, and this needs to be taken orally. So basically it'll just detoxify your body. Okay, and it does say that in case of allergies you stop the product. This is how it is. It's a small package. It just says you have to take like one in the morning, one in the evening. So by the way, there is no doctor who's spoken to me, okay? They've just sent the whole thing. So I don't know if I have to reach out to them again, because the package that I bought, it did say that there would be a free derma consultation that you have. MRP is 300 rupees here, guys. There are 60 tablets in this. Okay, one's for the natural detox. Ingredients is, there are Ayurvedic ingredients. This is Hing Churna is there. Lagu Sutsekar is there. Whatever. Okay, so this is one. Ayurveda, so obviously it won't give me any negative results. Second up is, this is by Traya itself. This is a shampoo, hair shampoo this is. It's an anti-dandruff shampoo. So it did ask me whether or not you have dandruff. So dandruff is like on and off, right? So you can't go 100% dandruff free, or you can't just have so many dandruffs. Though I don't have it right now, but I just said that I do because I wanted to see all the products that they would send. So this is 75 ml anti-dandruff shampoo. It has aloe vera. Let's see. Here, this is yeah, this is by Traya only, man. It says 300 rupees. And this actually, it'll hydrate your scalp. It'll treat for any fungal infection that you might have. Reduces the itching. any sort of inflammation on your scalp will go off. So that's that. Okay, there is a tiny product that they've sent. This one is a booster oil. It's a small, it's 7 ml package. Okay, this is again for the dandruff. Okay, you have to pour the content of this bottle into Traya scalp oil, and then you shake it, and then you use it to massage. You have to do it like twice a week. So I am guessing there would be a Traya oil in my package. I'll show you when I have it. But this one's called Dandruff Therapy Booster Oil. Okay. The next product is hair vitamin. This is which is good. This is again one to be taken in the morning. Biotin this is, which is fine. The best part is, you know, so far in their products the expiry date is like way ahead, so it's good. This is again 30 capsules. Oh, by the way, the package is for 1 month. Okay, so you have to spend 2489 rupees per month. Now I don't know for how many months this is. Here 30 capsules, one for each day. Okay, hair vitamin this is. Next up, hair rust. This is expensive. This is 520 rupees. 120 tablets they have. Now again, this is, I think they have some, okay, they have Amla, Arjun, Shatavari, Ashwagandha, Brijgraj, Shudlak. All Ayurvedic products are there. So this is 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. Let's see if this is oral capsules. Oh yes, this is 120 capsules. Okay. Okay, next up is night lotion. This is again an anti-dandruff treatment. This has aloe and vitamin E extracts. You have to apply lotion to the dry scalp on wherever you have the dandruffs, and you keep it overnight, and then you wash thoroughly next morning. Again, this is antifungal. It says it will control your hair fall. So basically, the 2-3 products is basically to control the hair. Nothing is going to grow the hair from your roots, right? I mean, how would it do it? It'll just control your hair fall. So I don't know if, you know, I'm going to have new hair, or I don't know how it's going to work, but we'll see. We'll use it for 2 months and see what other results. Okay, so this is the night lotion. There's one last product that they've sent. Oh, this is the scalp oil. Scalp oil, this is, okay. I'm trying to see. This is a 450 rupees. That's the MRP that they printed. Oh, this has coconut oil. There is kapoor. Okay. There's peppermint. There's Yavani Sattva, Snepak, Pravaya, Amlaki, Bringraj, Brahmi, Yastimadu, Guduchi. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it all wrong, but these are all Ayurvedic contents that's there. So it will obviously do good to the hair. So I'm supposed to be mixing this little guy, see? This little guy, 7 ml guy, into this. Shake it up and then use it. Does it tell me when do I need to use it? Okay, that's the problem. It doesn't say so. It says it is prescribed by doctors. Where is the doctor, man? How come they are running a website without a doctor? I think I will reach out to them and I'll ask them when am I supposed to be using. So these are all to be applied orally on my hair. It said, yeah, this one is the night one. So I obviously understood I put it raat ko, and maybe daily. So it doesn't say whether it is a daily thing or not, because you don't wash your hair daily, right? At least I don't. Hair loss, I think this one was, oh, this is tablet, so this is not to be applied. These two are to be applied. So I have to get clarity on these two. Yeah, so I think for 2489 rupees, they've given handy quite a lot of products. The only thing that I'm a little worried about is these are all Ayurvedic thing, and it did say that it's prescribed by a doctor, but nobody's reached out to me. So I don't know how they're claiming and how they're issuing these products which is prescribed by doctor. I'm not sure how they're doing it behind the scene, but I'm going to get in touch with them and try and see if they get me any dermatologist or any, anyone I can speak to, and I'll ask them, how do you say it is prescribed by a doctor? Nobody's spoken to me, what's going on? And typically I ordered these products about a week back, so I was hoping that I would, and there was an option to arrange for a callback. So I did click on that option, but I haven't had anybody call me yet. So if anyone's watching who use these products and who has any sort of association with Traya, please do leave your comments. It will help me, and obviously I will make another video in a month or two. I will keep updating you all about what's happening, whether these are good or the only solution for hair loss would be hair implantation, which all the so-called actors or people in the limelight choose to do so. There was one video of some girl from Traya who was shooting with Ranveer. I don't remember the complete name. Not Ranveer Singh, okay? Some Ranveer YouTuber it is. So there was in that interview, she claims that, everyone thinks that, the moment you start losing your hair or you're going bald, you have to go for a implantation or an extension or whatever. But that's not the thing. They claim that, your hair will grow with these products, which I don't agree with. So I wanted to just try that out because I've been following videos, Ranveer's video for quite a long time. So without anything else, I just wanted to try it out on my own. So that's it for the video today, guys. I will come back with another video soon. I hope you all like it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Thank you.